Tingnan ninyo kung paanong mag-enjoy ang mga seniors. Ayan. Hindi lang bata ang nag-enjoy sa buhay. Ang seniors ay nag-enjoy din. Kaya hindi sila naiinip dito sa bansang Canada. Kaya ito'y papulaanan doon sa mga sinasabi ng iba na seniors life here is boring. That is not true. Okay, find something that you will be happy and you will find it out. See? These are all seniors. Some of them, they are now in, almost 80s. There are some people who are 83, 80 something, Still, they're enjoying it. So they're so strong.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Yes.
Step back now. Step back.
Four of you going to step back.
Oh.
Ready? Are you ready? Is it clear?
Yes, now clear.
Only hand.
Here's the coach.
Okay, ready? Get set. Go! Step one lang. Step one lang. Out.
Ayan, ilan lang natira?
Ready?
Ayan, tatlo.
No rushing.
Sige.
Okay, ilan kayo? 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Bigay niyo yung
Okay,
itlog.
ready? 1, 2, 3. Touch. Step back. Huwag magmadali.
Out.
Huwag kayong magmamadali. Talo.